Yesterday we talked about something about the eyes yesterday, the AI, the MSP camera AI. Let me show you something about that definitely. That's this. We knew about the eye, how you can use the eye definitely as a software to be able to capture images, videos and everything. So this software is integrated into this ISO, into the zone machine, this immigration machine for passport control and everything that has to do with eye transfer. So if you are eye transferring, you have to look at this object and then many things will happen. That software, eye camera, MSP camera AI is actually integrated here, and this software is integrated here. Here we have dual thread intelligence actually. That has to do with eye chat pool, eye authentication, eye immigration, eye transfer. So with iThought, definitely you actually go through eye perception and so many other things to be able to know so many things about you. And iChat pool, definitely once you come in and you look at the pathway, definitely there tends to be a chat that goes into 1 billion people to investigate if you are the owner of that passport. And there tends to be something called eye authentication. It authenticates the computer itself, authenticates the database, authenticate, and the iChat pool authenticates too. And from there, the immigration can give you a pass to go to eye transfer. So we have the eye perception button here. We have the record button here. You can go to the past. You can stop. You can play, stay in the present, record, and you can go into the future. You can loop in the future or loop in the past, and you can go into many realms. So when you look at taste, speech, hear, sight, smell, touch, this actually has to do with the MSP add-on. For example, with this, definitely you'll be able to know so many things about many countries, how you can travel to many countries, how you can interact, how your senses can interact with many countries. And for example, you have MSP 1, MSP more. For example, you can add one country here, you can add Germany here, you can add America here. For example, if you want to travel to Germany before you travel to America, you can add them here and put the modular code here. And once you click the AI or the AI I18D, you can actually eye transfer with these functions, and all this authentication will take place before you eye transfer. And for example, if you look at this, definitely all this will happen and you'll be authenticated and you eye transfer. But you have to type in something here where you are going to, the country, the street, the address, and then you click biometry. Your passport will show, your authentication will go through, and then you eye transfer. This is beautiful. And then we have other things called modular code here. You can type your modular code here. Your criminal record AI is here. Your eye transfer here. Your eye body pathway search. You'll be searched if you have drugs in your body or in your bags. This takes place in the airport, seaport, trains, bus, cars, homes, zoos, that's immigration ports, and offices and countries AI. Zoom, you can extend it to be a very big image. So all this and this is in here, and also this camera software is still inside. So beautiful. I know you enjoyed it. It's beautiful. It's all about having control, about the immigration, having control about eye transfer, so you don't have to transfer without have restrictions. The restrictions is that you have to have a visa and you have to be really strong enough to go through it, and then you have to be checked. Bye bye.